can talk about today. Talk about the things that you would need in order to make yourself visible online. Now, you will require some basic tools. There are many available to you. The ones I like to use, ClickMagick. This is to track all your links that you're sending out, to see who's taking on it, from which countries, how many clicks you get, how many sales you get. ClickFunnels, in order to create opt-in forms. An opt-in form, for those who don't know, is where you obtain usually an email address. That's the most important thing, from whoever is interested in what you have to offer. This email address will become your list, your customer list, and actually the money maker of your business. Okay, this is very important. If you start doing this from the beginning, and you build your name list of people that are interested in what you are presenting or giving away or selling, these people are more likely to purchase products from you in future and to follow you wherever you are. Like you, say for instance, they met you on Instagram. Maybe they will follow you then on Pinterest or Facebook or Twitter, whichever way, and that way you can give value to them. Give them information, how to build their business, what is the best way to do things. So building your list is really very important, and you want to create a list with people that are interested in your product. So no point in buying endless leads from people who are not good service providers. They don't get the leads from the correct places. The people who are on these lists are not interested in what you have to offer. So that is really a waste of money. There are vendors out there who do provide you with good lists. If you go, for instance, to something like Udemy, a site called Udemy, you can see people what they're offering, the prices they're offering, and also reviews from customers. This is very important because you can see how many. Say for instance, you order 500 clicks. You want 500 sets of eyes to see your website. You can see how many people clicked on it, how many people stayed on your website, how many people opted in and then came on your list. And then, these people are more likely to follow you or purchase products from you in the future, and this is what you want to do. You want to create people that are eager to get information from you, eager to get hints and tips about how to promote their own businesses and whatever they're promoting. If it's a non-profit organization, if it's selling shoes, if it's any product, anything that you are interested in. If you are good at something, you are a good singer or a musician, you want the people to look at you that are interested in those things, not just anybody, because you will be wasting your time. So you need a lot of information about list building and the best ways to get these people onto your list. Once again, if you are interested, click the link in the bio and look at what is available to you there. And our group is very organized as far as that concerned. I mean, Vic is very certain in the way he presents things, and the training he gives us is excellent. So what you want to see results. You want to see your list growing. You want to see sales start happening. You want to see that you are busy building yourself as an entrepreneur, which is, you're not just following other people blindly, and when that source dries up, then your business is worth nothing. You want to be an entrepreneur, so you can decide what you want to give to people, what you have to offer. And in that way, when they're busy following you, you give them correct information about how to build your list, how to sell your product the best way, how to give them the best value possible. Once again, follow me. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and follow the link in my bio. Have a good evening. Bye bye.